Hi everyone, how is everyone doing today? I'm coming in real quick because I'm getting ready to jump on the road, but I'm going out to do a quick harvest. I'm going to grab cabbage and grab a few transplants and things like that to give to my aunt. So I'm going to go out here and bring you guys along while I do so. Of course. Got it. Oh. Ooh, no. Stop. I need that.
No, it's mine.
It's not. So I have a bunch of different peppers also. I'm going to be taking her. I think it's sweet banana, cayenne, habanero, yellow, Hungarian yellow wax, sweet banana. Yeah, a couple of those. And then I'm also going to be taking some of these orange hat York tomatoes.